CPA Information Systems and Controls, ISC, Study Guide 2026, the Pass with Confidence System for CPA ISC. If you're preparing for CPA Information Systems and Controls, ISC, you already know the pressure. What if I study the wrong topics? What if I forget everything in the exam? What if my practice isn't exam style? What if I'm not confident for simulations? What if I waste months and still fail? The CPA ISC Study Guide 2026 by Zain Academy is built to remove that fear and replace it with clarity, practice, and confidence. What you're getting: complete CPA ISC Mastery Pack. This is not a notes PDF. It's a complete CPA ISC learning ecosystem designed to help you understand, remember, and perform under pressure. 622 key learning outcomes, so you always know what you must learn, no guessing, no gaps. 1,080 questioning mind study points. These turn topics into exam-ready thinking. Why, how, when, and what if. Exactly how ISC tests you. 489 practical, real-world examples. Because ISC isn't just theory. You learn how IT controls, cybersecurity, SOC reports, and data governance work in real businesses. 233 memory aids and mnemonics. Built for retention, so concepts stick when you need them most. 1,050 true-false questions. 1,050 fill-in-the-blanks. 1,050 one-word answer questions. These drill your recall and strengthen your speed, accuracy, and confidence. 213 matching questions. Perfect for high-yield comparisons. Controls versus risks, frameworks, terms, procedures. 157 mind maps. To connect everything fast, especially during revision weeks. Dedicated CPA exam guide. Section: Tips plus Tricks. You don't just study harder, you study smarter with strategy, structure, and exam execution. Designed for busy CPA candidates and built for consistent results, you get the integrated printable PDF, optimized for all screen sizes. Study on laptop, iPad, phone, anywhere. Lifetime access, as long as you wish. No device restrictions, no time limits. Optimized reading experience, smooth on every screen size. And most importantly, complimentary support until you pass. You can ask unlimited questions through WhatsApp or email, and you'll get guidance until you pass, because confidence comes from support, not isolation. Supplement option: if you want the full exam practice system. For candidates who want an even stronger edge, you can pair this study guide with CPA ISC Exam Questions 2026, including 1,400 MCQs with explanations of all answer choices 60. Document Review Simulations, DRS, 60. Task-Based Simulations, TBS. So you're not just learning, you're training exactly like the real exam. Learning support that saves you money and time. Instead of expensive classes that drain your schedule and energy, CPA ISC. Learning videos available on YouTube. Learn, revise, and retain on demand. CPA ISC. Learning articles via WhatsApp channel. High-value revision content that keeps you connected to the subject daily. You save money, save time, and stay consistent. Power Guarantee. Confidence plus support plus results. Zain Academy's mission is simple. Create the best CPA exam prep course at affordable pricing, without compromising results. So you get what CPA candidates truly need: 100% confidence, support until you pass, a power guarantee focused on outcomes, not promises. You receive structured content, plus exam strategy, plus ongoing guidance designed to drive a 90% result mindset, the kind of confidence that comes from being fully prepared. Why CPA candidates should purchase this: emotional plus real. Because failing the CPA is not just a score. It's months of lost time, a heavy mental burden, a confidence crash, family pressure, career delay, and the pain of starting again. This guide is built to prevent that. You don't need random notes. You need a system that tells you what to study, how to understand it, how to remember it, how to practice it, and how to perform in the exam. The CPA ISC Study Guide 2026 gives you that structure, so you can stop feeling uncertain and start feeling in control. If you're serious about passing CPA Information Systems and Controls, ISC, don't gamble with scattered resources. Choose a study guide that gives you structure, retention, exam strategy, unlimited support, and a confidence-driven learning system. Download the free sample, see the quality, and then commit to the plan. 3 hours daily, plus 6 hours on weekends for 3 months, and walk into the CPA ISC exam prepared, calm, and confident.